Now that you know what your website looks like and you understand the tools that it comes with by default, let's log in and let me show you the backroom. Down here at the bottom of the page we have the login button, and I can just click on it normally and it will replace this page with the login page. But I want to open up a new window in my browser instead so that I can switch back and forth between the two. So I'm going to hit Control on my keyboard, the CTRL button, and then click Login. And what that does is it opens up another window that I can look at right up here in my browser. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to log in here. So here we are in the back room, and if you have not yet paid for your website, you'll have to do that first before you can see this window. You do not need any special software to edit your website. You won't need to know any special code. You won't need photo editing software. All you need is a computer with a good internet connection. All of this is done online. This back room, this control panel, is a modified version of Wordpress. See this little W right up here? WordPress is a world-famous online publishing software, and we've specially modified it just for you so that it will fit your needs as a church. Just to familiarize you with this back room a bit, over here is the help button, so if you ever have any questions you just click on that and you'll get to your training. And here is your main dashboard. It says that right now there is one post in my blog, there are 16 pages on my website, there are 5 categories in my blog and 0 tags. There is 1 comment in my blog, 1 comment has been approved, 0 comments are pending, and there are 0 spam comments. A spam comment is when someone tries to advertise in your comment box. The current theme or design is Country Church House, which is this red one here that we're using. And I can click Change Theme to change the design of my website, the look and feel. By default, your website has 1,000 megabytes of storage. That's an entire gig, which is more than enough for the average church website. Currently, we're using 0% of that 1,000 megabytes. Here on the left are all my tools. I can click on the top to get to my main dashboard here. I can click on Posts. This gives me a list of all the blog posts that I currently have. I only have one right now. I can add a new one. I can add some new categories. Here in the media section, whenever I upload an audio file or a photo into a page, it will appear in here as well as on my page. On Pages, we have a current list of all the pages on our website. We can click them to edit them. We can delete them. We can add new pages if we like. Here in the Comments section, we have all the user comments that are currently shown on my website. If they have not yet been approved, I can approve them so that they will show up on my website. If they've already been approved, I can unapprove them. I can mark them as spam, saying that they're advertisements. I can delete them. I can even edit them. And I can reply to them. In the Users section, we have all the people who are allowed to edit my website. Currently, I am the only user on this website. But if I wanted, I could add a secretary, an associate, a friend, so that they can also edit my website, or I can just give them privileges to write posts in my blog only. Here I can edit my own profile and change my password if I so desire. In the Tools section, we can save a backup of our website, or we can upload a backup that we've previously saved. In the Settings section, we can change all sorts of things about our website, including the title and the tagline. Down here in Subscriptions, we can manage our subscription. Here I'm told that my subscription will expire on July 20th, 2009. In the Events Calendar section, you add events or remove events from your events calendar. In StatPress, you can see how many people have visited your website and gather all sorts of other important information. And that is a basic overview of your back room. It's very simple and very easy to use.